How to fix YouTube videos not showing on homepage. Firstly, try clearing all the apps from the background apps. Swipe up to clear apps from background apps. After that, again open the app. Now restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart often resolves app rendering issues. After restarting your device, check for your network connection. Make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your current network is lagging, then try switching to a different network or mobile data to see if that helps. Navigate to your YouTube app. After finding your YouTube app, tap and hold on the app and click on the eye icon at the top right corner. In your app info, scroll down and in the section of usage, click on storage. At the bottom right corner, click on clear cache. Now go back to your home page and open App Store or Play Store on your device. Go to the search bar on the top and search for the YouTube application. If you find any kind of updates available for the app, then update the app. Updating the app may fix some minor bugs and issues. If you are still having problem, then try uninstalling the YouTube app and reinstalling it. Or you can even try to use it on any web browser. Also, make sure that your device is not connected to any VPNs. That's all for today. Thank you.